Are you a chocolate guy? Do you love crispy spring rolls? And do you ever struggle to come up with a dessert that actually wow people? Today, let's put in chocolate, banana, and spring rolls together. Let's see what kind of chemistry we can create. We only need a little flour paste. The riper the banana is, the sweeter your filling will be. Now let's blend the banana and put it into the mixer. Blend it into a smooth puree. Now it's ready. Let's have a look. It doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. A little texture actually makes it taste better. Melt chocolate gently over hot water. Don't rush this step. Chocolate is sensitive. If it gets too hot, it can easily separate. So let's keep the heat gentle. You can see it melted gently. It becomes smooth. Heat off and use the remaining heat to let it keep melting. Now let's mix everything together. Mix them well. Wow, I like the color. It's just like doing an experiment. Okay, done. Now comes the fun part, wrapping. This is the spring roll wrappers. It is super delicate and stretchy. So we need to peel it soft and gentle, slowly. I like this feeling. It is quite relaxing. Okay, that's it. Now let's make a paste glue. Flour paste looks like glue for the edges. Now let's begin to wrap the spring rolls. Today, I'd like to use the traditional diamond fold. It is more easy and nicer. Okay, let's use some flour paste to make it stick better. See, super easy, right? Now I'm going to fry the spring rolls. Let's put them into the pan first. Leave enough space between them and set the heat to medium-high. Since the filling is already cooked, we are just looking for a golden, crispy crust. Let's flip over to see if the color is okay. Spring rolls is a very popular street food all over the Asia. And many Asian countries have its own style spring rolls, just like Taiwan style, Chinese mainland style, Thai style. But I think the chocolate one is very special one. How do you like it? Oh, see? The golden spring roll looks quite nice, right? Okay, let's heat off and fresh out. Why not add a little something extra? Guess what? Ice cream, alright? Wow, did you see? Chocolate is flowing. Let's add some ice cream to that. Listen to that crunch, really crispy. Look at that chocolate, still flowing. If you love this easy dessert, you should have a try.